Groups of youth with disabilities are so underrepresented in the workforce. Ramp is just a chance for everybody, regardless of your background or your grades, or I have this disability and so I can't do this, and this. That's not true. And this program proves that time and time again.
A big part of it is the guest speakers and having people from the community who have achieved what they consider to be their own personal success. And that could be an entrepreneur and business owner. The goal is to show them a wide net of different types of success. And a big part of success to them is being a positive impact on their community.
I get to see like there's other kids like me. You get to meet new people. You get to learn what success might look for you and what it might look to other people.
I've really enjoyed learning through the process of collaborating with an after-school program, because you really see how much we depend on them to extend that support and how much they depend on us to provide that support during the school day. So it's definitely a collaborative environment, and it's really nice to have a strong partnership with our after-school program.
I think what IEL does really well too is working with people and trying to learn together so we can come up with solutions and best approaches.
I think the partnership's been really impactful in a few different ways. Seeing an organization that's saying, hey, we're committed to this, we're seeing this through, is really huge for us.